Most people fear inflation. The moment prices begin rising, panic spreads everywhere. People complain that food is becoming expensive. They complain that rent is increasing. They complain that fuel costs more than ever before. They complain that salaries are not keeping up with the cost of living. And while millions of people spend their days worrying, a small group of intelligent people quietly become richer. This happens during every major inflationary period in history. It happened decades ago. It happened during economic crises. It happened after recessions. And it is happening right now. The biggest mistake people make is believing inflation affects everyone equally. That is simply not true. Inflation creates winners and losers. The losers are those who do not understand how money works. The winners are those who understand the rules of the game. And once you understand these rules, you begin seeing opportunities where everyone else sees problems. Imagine two people living in the same city. Both earn the same income. Both face the same rising prices. Both buy food from the same markets. Both pay the same fuel costs. Yet after 5 years, one person becomes wealthier, while the other struggles financially. What caused the difference? Knowledge. The wealthy person understood inflation. The struggling person feared it. Inflation is not merely an economic event. It is a transfer of wealth. Money moves from one group of people to another. The people who understand this transfer position themselves correctly. The people who ignore it become victims of it. The first thing intelligent people do during inflation is stop focusing on money itself. That sounds strange. Most people become obsessed with money during inflation. They constantly think about earning more cash. They constantly worry about spending cash. They constantly calculate how much purchasing power they are losing. But intelligent people understand a powerful truth. Cash is not wealth. Let that sink in. Cash is not wealth. Cash is only a tool. Real wealth is ownership. Ownership of assets. Ownership of businesses. Ownership of skills. Ownership of systems that generate value. When inflation rises, cash loses purchasing power. $100 today may buy less next year. The same amount of money buys fewer goods, fewer services, fewer opportunities. But productive assets often rise in value. This is why wealthy people focus on acquiring assets instead of hoarding cash. They know inflation punishes savers who only store money. Meanwhile, it rewards owners. Think about real estate. Think about businesses. Think about valuable investments. Think about intellectual property. Think about brands. Think about assets that continue producing income. These things often become more valuable as inflation increases. The average person works hard to collect money. The intelligent person works hard to collect assets. This single shift in thinking can completely transform a person's financial future. The second thing intelligent people do is increase their financial education. Most people stop learning after school. They assume education ends once they receive a certificate or degree. But the wealthy understand that financial education never ends. In times of inflation, ignorance becomes extremely expensive. Every financial mistake costs more. Every poor decision creates larger consequences. Every missed opportunity becomes more painful. This is why intelligent people become students of economics. They study markets, they study business, they study investing, they study human psychology. Because money follows understanding. The more you understand how economies work, the more opportunities you begin noticing. Knowledge allows you to see patterns invisible to other people. You begin recognizing trends before they become obvious. You begin making decisions based on logic rather than fear. And that alone places you ahead of the majority. Fear is one of the most expensive emotions in the world. Fear causes people to sell valuable assets at the worst possible moment. Fear causes people to avoid opportunities. Fear causes people to remain stuck. Fear convinces people that survival is the only goal. But intelligent people know something important. Every economic challenge creates new opportunities. Every crisis creates new winners. Every inflationary period creates new millionaires. History proves this repeatedly. Many of today's wealthiest individuals built fortunes during difficult economic periods. While others focused on problems, they focused on solutions. While others panicked, they prepared. While others hesitated, they acted. This mindset difference changed everything. The third thing intelligent people do during inflation is invest in themselves. This may be the most important investment of all. Markets can crash. Businesses can fail. Property values can fluctuate. But valuable skills remain powerful. No government can print more of your expertise. No inflation can destroy your ability to create value. The marketplace rewards people who solve important problems. The more valuable your skills become, the more income opportunities you create. Think about it carefully. If inflation doubles the price of everything, would your current skills allow you to earn significantly more money? If the answer is no, then improving your skills should become a priority. Intelligent people understand that income growth is one of the strongest defenses against inflation. This is why they constantly learn. They read books, they take courses, they practice communication, they develop leadership abilities, they improve sales skills, they strengthen problem-solving capabilities, they master technology, because every new skill increases their value in the marketplace, and increased value often leads to increased income. The average person hopes for a raise. The intelligent person becomes so valuable that opportunities begin chasing them. This difference is enormous. Inflation rewards adaptability. The people who can quickly adjust often thrive. The people who refuse to change often struggle. That is why personal development becomes a financial strategy. Every skill you acquire becomes another tool for creating wealth. Every lesson you learn increases your earning potential. Every improvement compounds over time. Most people underestimate the power of compounding. They think wealth appears suddenly. They think successful people became rich overnight. But reality is different. Wealth usually grows through consistent actions repeated over long periods. A single book may not change your life. 100 books might. A single skill may not make you wealthy. Several valuable skills combined together can. A single investment may not transform your future. Many intelligent investments over time often do. Compounding is one of the greatest forces in wealth creation. Intelligent people understand this, and because they understand it, they remain patient. They focus on long-term growth instead of short-term excitement. They understand that true wealth is built gradually, one decision at a time, one investment at a time, one lesson at a time, one opportunity at a time. And while others chase quick riches, they quietly build lasting prosperity. The result is that years later, people call them lucky. But it was never luck. It was understanding. It was preparation. It was discipline. And most importantly, it was action. Because knowledge without action changes nothing. Understanding without execution creates no results. The people who become wealthy during inflation are not necessarily the smartest people in the room. They are simply the people willing to act on what they know. They recognize opportunities. They prepare for change. They adapt faster than others. And they position themselves where money is flowing. That is where wealth begins. Not in luck, not in magic, not in secret formulas, but in understanding how the game works and making decisions accordingly. And this is only the beginning, because the next strategy intelligent people use during inflation is even more powerful than most people realize. The next strategy intelligent people use during inflation is something that sounds simple but changes everything. They become extremely intentional about where their money goes. Most people spend first and think later. Intelligent people think first and spend later. This difference may appear small. In reality, it creates a massive gap over time. During inflation, every dollar, every franc, every pound, and every euro becomes more important. Money wasted today could have become an asset tomorrow. Money spent carelessly could have been invested. Money used to impress strangers could have been used to create future freedom. The intelligent person understands that every financial decision carries an opportunity cost. Whenever money leaves your hands, you lose the ability to use it somewhere else. That is why wealthy people ask a different question before spending. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" they ask, "Is this the best use of my money?" That question changes everything, because many purchases that seem affordable are not necessarily wise. Many expenses provide temporary pleasure, but create no lasting value. Many people spend years working for things that lose value almost immediately. The intelligent person learns to distinguish between consumption and investment. Consumption takes money out of your future. Investment puts money into your future. This does not mean never enjoying life. It means understanding the difference between spending for satisfaction and spending for growth. The smartest individuals balance both. They enjoy life, but they also build assets. They reward themselves, but they also invest in their future. This balance allows them to enjoy the present without sacrificing tomorrow. Another thing intelligent people do during inflation is create multiple streams of income. This idea has become popular in recent years, but few people truly understand its importance. When inflation rises, relying on a single source of income becomes increasingly risky. If that source disappears, Financial stress can arrive quickly. The intelligent person reduces this risk. They look for additional ways to create value. Some start businesses, some freelance, some invest, some create digital products, some build online audiences, some teach skills, some consult, some create content. The specific method matters less than the principle. The principle is simple. Never allow your financial future to depend entirely on one source. Diversification creates resilience. Resilience creates confidence. Confidence allows better decision-making, and better decisions often lead to greater wealth. The intelligent person also understands something most people overlook. Time is more valuable than money. Money can be lost and earned again. Time cannot. Every day that passes is gone forever. This realization changes how successful people approach their lives. They become protective of their time. They avoid unnecessary distractions. They avoid activities that provide little value. They focus on actions with the highest potential return, because they understand that wealth creation is not simply about working harder. It is about working smarter. It is about directing energy toward activities that matter most. Many people spend years climbing ladders that lead nowhere. The intelligent person regularly evaluates whether their efforts are moving them closer to their goals. If not, they adjust. Adaptability becomes one of their greatest strengths. Inflation changes markets. Inflation changes industries. Inflation changes consumer behavior. The people who adapt quickly often benefit. The people who resist change often struggle. History repeatedly rewards flexibility. Every major economic transformation creates opportunities for those willing to learn. New industries emerge. New technologies appear. New consumer demands develop. And those who position themselves correctly can experience extraordinary growth. This is why intelligent people remain curious. Curiosity keeps them alert. Curiosity helps them recognize shifts before others do. Curiosity opens doors that fear keeps closed. Another powerful habit of intelligent people during inflation is maintaining emotional discipline. Most financial mistakes are emotional mistakes. People panic, people become greedy, people follow crowds, people make decisions based on headlines, people react rather than think. Intelligent people train themselves to remain calm. They understand that emotions can distort judgment. They understand that fear and greed are poor financial advisors. When others panic, they analyze. When others rush, they pause. When others react emotionally, they focus on facts. This emotional control gives them a significant advantage, because opportunities often appear when others are too frightened to act, and risks often increase when others become excessively confident. The ability to think clearly during uncertainty is one of the most valuable financial skills a person can develop. Intelligent people also surround themselves with growth-oriented individuals. Environment matters more than many people realize. The people around you influence your beliefs. They influence your habits. They influence your expectations. They influence your standards. If everyone around you constantly complains, negativity becomes normal. If everyone around you avoids growth, stagnation becomes normal. If everyone around you fears opportunity, hesitation becomes normal. But when you spend time with ambitious and disciplined individuals, something different happens. Your perspective expands, your standards rise, your confidence grows. You begin seeing possibilities where you once saw limitations. This is why successful people carefully choose their environment. They understand that success leaves clues. They learn from people who have already achieved what they want. They study proven principles. They seek wisdom rather than validation. And over time, these influences shape their decisions. The final lesson may be the most important of all. Intelligent people understand that wealth is not the ultimate goal. Freedom is. Money is simply a tool that provides options, a tool that creates flexibility, a tool that allows greater control over one's life. Many people spend their entire lives chasing money without understanding why. They assume wealth itself will create happiness, but intelligent people recognize a deeper truth. Money amplifies who you already are. It can create opportunities. It can solve certain problems. But lasting fulfillment comes from purpose, growth, contribution, relationships, and meaningful experiences. This perspective protects them from many financial traps. They build wealth without becoming controlled by it. They pursue success without sacrificing what matters most. And because of this balance, they often enjoy both financial prosperity and personal fulfillment. As inflation continues affecting economies around the world, remember this: the majority will focus on fear. The majority will focus on rising prices. The majority will focus on problems, but a smaller group will focus on opportunities. They will acquire knowledge. They will build skills. They will create assets. They will increase their value. They will remain disciplined. They will adapt. They will invest. They will act. Years from now, people will look at their success and assume they were fortunate, but the truth will be different. Their results will come from decisions, daily decisions, consistent decisions, intelligent decisions. Because wealth is rarely created in a single moment. It is created through thousands of choices made over time. The future belongs to those who prepare for it. The future belongs to those who learn continuously. The future belongs to those who remain calm while others panic. The future belongs to those who see opportunity where others see obstacles. And if you choose to become one of those people, inflation does not have to be your enemy. It can become the catalyst that pushes you toward greater financial awareness, greater discipline, greater opportunity, and ultimately, greater wealth. The choice begins today. The choice begins with what you learn. The choice begins with what you do next. Because the intelligent people who become wealthy during inflation are not different from everyone else. They simply choose different actions, and different actions create different results. The question is no longer whether inflation exists. The question is whether you will allow it to control your future, or whether you will use it as an opportunity to build the future you truly want. The answer is entirely in your hands.